everyone! Did you know that over 80% of millionaires attribute their wealth to wise investments? Crazy, right? Today, we're diving into how investment quotes can not only provide wisdom, but also transform your financial thinking. Stick around because these insights might just change the way you view money. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join us. Today, we're exploring the infinite banking concept, or IBC for short. Now, what exactly is IBC? Well, it's a strategy that allows individuals to take control of their finances, grow wealth, and even create a personal banking system using specially designed whole life insurance policies. It sounds interesting, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. Investment quotes can provide powerful insights into the principles of IBC. They can inspire us to think differently about money and wealth accumulation. So let's get into it. Now, let's talk about some of the misconceptions and challenges folks encounter when trying to grasp or implement the infinite banking concept. First off, many people think IBC is just about life insurance, which is a huge misconception. Sure, life insurance plays a role, but it's really about building a wealth strategy that puts you in control of your money. Then, there's the confusion surrounding compound interest. People often underestimate how powerful it can be when used correctly. They might think it's just a fancy term for earning a little extra, but in reality, it could mean the difference between financial freedom and just scraping by. Another common challenge is the fear of the unknown. When you hear concepts like infinite banking, it can sound intimidating. There's a tendency to stick with traditional banking methods because they're familiar, even if they're not the best for growing wealth. Lastly, many are skeptical about the long-term benefits of IBC. They question whether it really works or if it's just a gimmick. The truth is, without a solid understanding of the principles behind IBC, it can be tough to see the potential. But that's where investment quotes come in. They can serve as guiding lights that clarify these misconceptions and motivate you to explore the concept further. All right, let's dive into the meat of the video. Here are 10 investment quotes that perfectly encapsulate the principles of the infinite banking concept. 1. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Chinese proverb. This quote speaks to the importance of starting your financial journey now rather than waiting for the perfect moment. IBC encourages you to take action today. 2. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. Education is crucial in understanding IBC. The more you know, the better your decisions will be when it comes to managing your money. 3. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. This quote highlights the importance of prioritizing savings, which is at the core of IBC. You want to pay yourself first before you spend. 4. Money is a terrible master but an excellent servant. P.T. Barnum. This one reminds us that money should work for you, not the other way around. With IBC, you're creating a system where your money serves your financial goals. 5. The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything, but the value of nothing. Philip Fisher. Understanding the true value of your investments, rather than just their market price, is key in IBC. 6. In investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable. Robert Arnott. Getting out of your comfort zone is essential for growth. IBC may seem daunting, but that's where the real wealth building happens. 7. Opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Warren Buffett. This emphasizes the need to seize opportunities when they arise. IBC is about creating those opportunities for yourself. 8. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. Patience is a virtue in investing, and IBC encourages a long-term perspective. 9. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Warren Buffett. Knowledge reduces risk. Understanding IBC helps you mitigate financial risks while maximizing your wealth potential. 10. Wealth is not about having a lot of money, it's about having a lot of options. Chris Rock. This encapsulates the essence of IBC perfectly. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but about creating options for your life. Each of these quotes serves as a reminder of the mindset shifts needed to embrace the infinite banking concept fully. They challenge traditional views of money and encourage a more proactive approach to personal finance. Now, if I had to highlight one quote that really captures the essence of the infinite banking concept, it would be this: money often costs too much. Ralph Waldo Emerson. This quote emphasizes the idea that we often overlook the true cost of our financial choices. With IBC, you gain awareness of how money can be used to create wealth rather than just being a tool for expenses. It's a powerful reminder that when you control your money, it doesn't control you. This shift in mindset is what can lead to true financial freedom. To wrap things up, today we explored some insightful investment quotes that can reshape how we think about the infinite banking concept. We learned that IBC isn't just a financial strategy, it's a mindset. The quotes we discussed provide valuable lessons on taking control of your finances, making informed decisions, and understanding the true value of your investments. As you consider IBC, keep these insights in mind. They can guide you toward a more empowered financial future. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear from you, so drop your favorite investment quote in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into financial strategies or get more personal finance tips, check out my other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep investing in your future.